Yeah, we're getting hit with snow. Second wave of this blizzard, I guess, coming through. We got like 6 inches last night and rain all day today, and then within the last hour I'd say we probably got 3 inches more. On my way home from work. It's not too bad out. It's getting bad, but not too bad. It's Wisconsin. It's the way it is. You kind of get used to it after a while. I suppose. Better put my hands back on the wheel. Figure I'd bring you guys along. Take care. Well, good afternoon, gentlemen. Got mail call. I got 2 new stickers to add to the board. Mr. Cutworm got a sticker out. Crosley's never dead, rebuilt instead. Pretty cool, man. I like that. Someone's got to keep those old cars going. We got Michael Fradley leaning up against his Nova. He's got a couple Nova projects he's working on. Pretty cool. So the sticker board gets a little more. Still think Vapor Lock Vixens is still one of the coolest ones up here. But that's it. Just a quick little update. Got some stickers in the mail, so I figured I'd throw them on there and let you guys see them. Talk to you later. There's a quick little update here on the Buick project. Didn't get a lot done this past week. Just got welding wire the other day. So I did finish up this side. It all got welded in, gussets made. That side was done already, so I didn't have to worry about that side. But working on the shock mounts right now, trying to figure that out. I think I figured how I'm going to do it. There's nothing back here yet, but that'll be tomorrow. You'll see that progress. Been a busy week. A couple snow days at work, so those guys like to break everything when they're out playing in the snow. So that makes it busy for me. So like I said, it's a quick little update. Talk to you guys later.